So if you're looking for somewhere affordable, somewhere with facilities, somewhere with a nice rooftop, a pool and a gym, check out the Astra.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
Obviously not everyone coming to Chiang Mai is looking for digital nomad experience. Some people are looking to retire and enjoy the life and the view, so to speak, and to make the most of their time, and also to make the most of their money. Now you can do that because this place, I would recommend the Astra in terms of retirement, or really quite long-term, more luxurious side of living. Now this is a smaller facility then. It's more like the standard rooms they have. It's like 600 to 800 range depending on the deals you get by the individual landlords. It has a washing machine, microwave, a stovetop with a pretty decent quality stove. Heats up pretty quick. You know, a little sink, fridge of course. Has a pretty decent bathroom as well. I like the ones with the bigger shower heads here. I definitely find those more comfortable. Now, some of them have larger bathrooms. That's depending on sort of the building of some of the previous landowners, or whoever your landlord is. Sometimes they build out or they build larger bathrooms. So if you're looking for something like a tub or a larger space, those ranges up towards 800 and 1,000. Now this is the B building, so like it's more standard buildings, I believe. Not 100% on that, but I'm pretty sure. And it has a great view. They have access to a lot of the same facilities despite the price range being more modest as opposed to $1,000, but it's really not that big a difference. I mean, if you want more facilities, get more facilities. Absolutely. It's up to you. That's your retirement. So it depends on which you value more, facilities or a little bit more on your budget. And you have a great pool. There's a great gym. So there's also a great view and a nice garden on top. Yeah, so between internet, which I put down here, I believe that is about 630 baht, about $1,000, not 1,000 baht to 1,500 baht for electricity, depending on your usage of the AC, and about 200-300 baht for water. That's what I've been paying, and so I just want to put that out there for the people who are looking for more long-term solutions. Also, I would suggest the video I did on Dcondo Sign. That's a little bit more fitting for digital nomad types who are looking for a better quality of living, but that's more 200-300 range. This is about double that. Between those two places, it's a good place to start, looking for a long-term solution. If you found that video helpful, please subscribe below and leave some comments in the section below. Let me know what you want me to do. Let me know if this is helpful to you, and if you have any suggestions for other places for retirement, for digital nomads, for coders, all those people traveling, trying to make life better.